course, our top story for today is the continuing saga of the now fugitive Apollo Kibuloy. The embattled pastor sets conditions for his surrender. Here's the report.
Pastor Apollo Kibuloy once again denies that he's been hiding. In a recorded statement from SMNI's YouTube channel, the embattled preacher says he's just trying to protect himself. This comes after a Davao court issued arrest warrants against Kibuloy for charges of sexual abuse and child abuse. The Senate has also released an arrest order after he failed to attend hearings. Kibuloy says he won't surrender alive if his conditions are not met. The pastor wants a written guarantee that the U.S. will not interfere in the case. He adds that there should be no extraordinary rendition. This refers to the transfer of a criminal to another country. Kibuloy also insists that his arrest warrants are just dropped for him to get arrested, even if This refers to the transfer of a criminal to another country. Kibuloy also insists that his arrest warrants are just dropped for him to get arrested, even if authorities made his cases bailable. The church leader has 4 days to come forward. Otherwise, the court will issue another warrants or decide on a new action against Kibuloy. For News 5, Jenny Dongon, We Are One News.
I don't think he's in si Apollo Kibuloy is in a
position
to demand the conditions for surrender. Surrender ka muna. Di ba, just like what they did with Arnie Teves, who was tagged as a terrorist, sabi ni SOJ, wala ka sa, you're not in a position to demand from the government. What makes you special? Tapos second, sinasabi mo hindi ka nagtatago. You're just protecting yourself. Eh, hinahanap ka nga sa mga places of ano mo, and alam mong hinahanap ka, hindi ka mahanap. Anong tawag mo doon?
Exactly. Kaya yung PNP and some of his friends, they are calling for his surrender. Kasi sabi naman ng PNP, ano naman to bailable naman yung mga kaso na inihain sa
bailable pala, harapin niya.
Ang problema kasi sinasabi nga niya is, once na mag-surrender siya, baka daw ibigay na siya sa US. Kaya ang kanyang isa sa mga, yun nga, nasabi rin naman sa balita natin, ang kondisyon, magkaroon ng official, kumbaga, paper na lalagdahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na hindi siya isa-surrender sa Pilipinas.
Surrender first, mag-usap kayo. Gosh. Surrender muna. Then let's from there, take it from there. Diba? Ano yung mangyayari? At harapin mo
talaga
muna.
Nasubukan ng natin, judicial system natin.
At saka ang word niya, self-appointed, anointed Son of God, diba? Which is supposed to be Jesus Christ. Sundan mo naman yung life and the passion of the Christ. He was wrongfully convicted, and yet humarap siya sa mga accusers niya even without the guarantee na his rights will be protected, diba? He carried his own cross kung saan siya pinako nga
Exactly.
Anong inaano mo
Tsaka, di ba, this is the platform that he asked for. Remember?
Yes, this is.
Kasi sinabi niya before, ayaw niyang umattend ng Senate hearing because he's already, kumbaga, accused na siya doon, nasentensyahan na siya doon.
Sa korte na dalawang
and it's a circus for him na pumunta pa siya doon, magsasabi, etc. Sabi niya, kung meron, daan daw sa legal means, which is yung korte. Eto na ang korte, but where are you?
Tuloy, may madaming games na rin yung, di ba, sinabi ko sa'yo last week, may mga games na ngayon, may mga additional games na, yung parang Finding Wally, Finding Apollo, may mga drawing, tapos hanapin mo yung the missing pastor.
Oo. And then, di ba, tapos iba ang nangyari pa, remember, nung nagkaroon ng issue din sa States, yung nahuli sila, yung money laundering, etc. Ang humarap doon, yung mga tauhan niya, ang mga nakulong doon, yung mga tauhan niya. This time around, it's still the same, di ba, ang sumuko at nakapag-bail naman din, yung mga tauhan niya. Di ba, parang, if you're really a true leader, di ba, dapat i-submit yourself at alam mo naman, sinasabi mo na wala kang kasalanan, prove it.
Si Christ, never niya pinahamak, si Jesus Christ, never niya pinahamak yung mga other people. Laging ako na lang ang sasalo.
Nako.
Nakakainit ka ng ulo Napaka-special.
Ang init nga ng panahon di ba?
Practice what you preach, sir.
Walk the talk.
Walk the talk.